So welcome to Mazara del Vallo. This is probably the best example of Arab influence in Sicily. Mazara started out as a Phoenician settlement, as most of the cities in the western part of the island. It's also home to the largest fishing fleet in Italy. The water here is extremely cold. Mazara is also famous for being home to the largest KASBAH in Italy, a series of very narrow streets and tunnels, as you can see all around me here. This area here is home to roughly 8,000 people that migrated from Maghreb to Sicily. The streets are so narrow here that scenes like this one are pretty common. The local city council grants seats to immigrants to be represented in equal parts, so they're equal to the rest of the citizens.